Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Adobe Fonts for brand typography. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your Adobe Creative Cloud application. Ensure you are logged into your Adobe account. Navigate to the Fonts section on the left sidebar. Click on the Adobe Fonts option. You will see a variety of font options available to you. Browse through the fonts or use the search bar to find a specific one. Once you find your desired font, click on it. On the Fonts page, click the toggle switch to activate the font. This will authorize the font for your Adobe applications. Next, open the application where you want to use the font. Access the font menu within the application. Search for the newly activated font in the list. Select the font to apply it to your text. You can now use this font in your designs or projects. If you wish to use multiple fonts, repeat the same activation process for each. Remember that all authorized fonts sync across your Adobe applications. Make sure to check your font license for any usage restrictions. Once finished, you can close the Adobe Creative Cloud app. Your authorized Adobe fonts are now ready for use in your brand typography. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.